Megan back with us right now watching the record rainfall we're seeing today.
So the National Weather Service just released the records today, and it is impressive how much rain we've seen. I know many of you are probably thinking, I didn't get as much as you wanted, but we are still going to see periods of rain through the weekend. But the heaviest rain impacted the mountain and desert areas. Lake Cuyamaca, almost 2 inches of rainfall. Campo, 6,600. Downtown, which is where we keep our records when we say how far below normal we are for our water year, almost 6/10 of an inch of rain. So it's great to get the rainfall totals there. Really dramatic clouds over El Cajon. I mean, just take a second. Look at your screen right now. That just looks absolutely stunning. So most of the rain is tapering off in central San Diego, where most of us live. But the mountain and desert areas, you're still seeing that rainfall. And again, that flood warning for the desert areas goes for the northern areas until 6:30 tonight, until 7:15 for areas farther to the south. So Tropical Storm K, the latest update from the National Hurricane Center, they said that they expect this to turn into a post-tropical cyclone or a remnant low soon. So we're on the very low edge of it still being a tropical storm. It's 133 miles away here from San Diego. Rainfall totals have been quite impressive. Mount Laguna, over 4.5 inches of rainfall. Lake Cuyamaca, so the records are kept from about 5 p.m. So that's why we've actually seen more rain in Lake Cuyamaca than the official report for the record in the National Weather Service. So that's why those numbers don't match. Julian, over 1.5 inches of rainfall. That goes for that number down there as well as for downtown San Diego. So we've actually seen more rain, but the record was already set. Cuyamaca, 109-mile-per-hour gusts today. That was the peak gust we saw all across the county. In fact, they saw several gusts over 100 miles per hour. We're in the 70s right now. Tomorrow, we're only going to climb into the 80s. In fact, the highs for today, most of them were set between about 2 and 5 a.m. today. Temperatures have been dropping since this morning. I know you stepped outside and were like, whew, it is hot. It's a lot more comfortable now. Tomorrow also a lot more comfortable, though still muggy. So 10 News Futurecast highlighting that chance for showers really diminishes the rest of tonight. A few periods of rain could be heavy at times straight through the weekend, but it's not going to be as numerous. It's going to be a lot more isolated in nature. That continues through Saturday, even into Sunday as the system moves through. So through the weekend, periods of rain, an occasional thunderstorm can't be ruled out. The roadways are wet tonight, so avoid them if you can. And the worst of the wind and the rain is now behind us. But check this out. Our spaghetti plot models have this system looping around. That's why we continue a slight chance for some moisture and some shower or thunderstorm activity Monday, maybe even into Tuesday. So we're going to keep on our eyes on this. We're not done with K yet, but by that point, it won't be impacting us like it is today. Inland neighborhoods, we're going to be in the 80s into next week. Less humid by the end of the week. The mountain areas will warm back into the 70s on Sunday and will stay there into next week. The mountain and desert areas have the best chance for a few showers to linger into Tuesday.
Encouraging news. Thank you, Megan.